Why is he like that? What is happening inside his body? Is he losing fluid somewhere? Could this be related to blood sugar? How do we treat this?
Okay, let's start with glucose in the blood. It is the main source of energy for the body. Now think about this, insulin helps glucose enter cells. Without it, glucose stays in the bloodstream. Here's the interesting part, glucose levels rise very high. This condition is called hyperglycemia. The kidneys constantly filter the blood. They remove excess substances. This is where it gets important, there is a glucose limit. Beyond this, sugar spills into urine. Glucose appears in the urine abnormally. This is called glycosuria. Now think about this, glucose pulls water with it. This happens through osmosis. Water leaves the body in large amounts. This is called osmotic diuresis. The patient urinates frequently. This is known as polyuria. Fluid loss causes dehydration. The body loses essential water. The brain senses low fluid levels. It activates thirst response. The patient feels intense thirst. This is called polydipsia. Drinking water helps briefly, but fluid loss continues. The body cannot restore balance. Because glucose remains high, cells cannot use glucose properly. They behave as if starving. Energy supply becomes inefficient. The body seeks alternatives. Fat is broken down for energy. This produces ketones. Ketones accumulate in blood. This can become dangerous. Dehydration continues worsening. Risk increases without treatment. The thirst signal repeats continuously. The body is trying to compensate. Lowering glucose stops fluid loss. This addresses the root cause. Once levels normalize, balance returns. Thirst gradually improves. Excessive thirst is a key symptom. It suggests fluid imbalance. Frequent urination supports diagnosis. It indicates fluid loss. Thirst with urination is significant. It suggests diabetes. Blood glucose confirms diagnosis. It shows elevated levels. Untreated diabetes leads to complications, including dehydration. Severe dehydration can affect organs. Immediate care may be required. Treatment includes glucose control and fluid replacement. Long-term control prevents recurrence. It stabilizes the system. Remember, high glucose causes the problem. It disrupts balance. Glucose enters urine. Water follows it. Water loss causes dehydration. This triggers thirst. The brain activates thirst signals to restore fluid. The cycle repeats continuously until glucose is controlled. Thirst and urination together are clues. They suggest diabetes. Treating glucose fixes the issue. Balance returns.
At first, it seemed like normal thirst. Then consistent drinking raised concern. The pattern revealed the true cause. Treatment reduced symptoms over time.
Alright, let's test your brain. Think carefully before you answer. What causes excessive thirst, high glucose, low oxygen, exercise, cold? What causes fluid loss, urine, bones, skin, hair? What is excessive thirst called? Polydipsia, polyuria, edema, dyspnea. What pulls water into urine? Glucose, fat, protein, vitamins. What fixes the cause? Lower glucose, drink water, sleep, rest. Did you get them right? The answers are waiting in your worksheet download. Download your free worksheet and test your brain. If you enjoyed this, share it with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.